Hello students, how you all? Today we are starting class 12th function. Okay, before starting class 12th function, we will discuss what is function which we already completed in class 11. Okay, what is function? Function means all the elements of domain having unique image unique image in codomain. In codomain, all the elements of domain having unique image in codomain. Okay, this will understand by arrow diagram also. Okay, suppose you have set A where you have 1 comma 2 comma 3, set B where you have A comma B comma C. So here we'll say that if 1 related to A, 2 related to B, 3 related to C, means all the elements of domain 1, 2, 3 are having the unique image in B, then this is called as function. Yes, function. Okay, A to B, F colon A to B is function. If we take another example, this is first, second one, set A and set B. If you have like this 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, A B C, so here if you have 1 related to A, 2 related to B, 3 related to C, but 4 is not related to anything. Okay, means 4 is not having any image in B, 4 is not having any image in B, so it is not a function. Not a function, it is simple relation. It is simple relation, not a function. Okay, third example, if we take like this, suppose your set A and set B will be like this, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, A B C D. Okay, or here also you have 1 A, 2 A, B, C, means all the elements are having unique image 1A, 2B, 3B, 4C. Okay, 1 or 2 ka A element is here. So yes, this is also function. Yes, it is function. Okay, unique image होना जरूरी है. Fourth one, suppose you have set A, okay, and set B. Set A 1 comma 2 comma 3, set B A B C. Okay, if you feel this like that, कि one is having this image or one is having this image also, 2 and 3. Okay, now what you are observing, one related to A and one related to B also, means one is not having a unique image, one is having two image, so it is not a function. ओके, तो ये फंक्शन नहीं होगा. Understood? This we already completed in class 11th, but when we start type of function, before that we should know what is the function or what is the relation. Okay, I hope you understand till here. Write down first. Okay, so now we'll start type of function. So write the topic, type of function. Okay, type of function. Okay, there are four type of function. First one is one function, one function. Second one is many one. Third one is onto function. Onto function. And fourth one is into function. Into function. Okay, these names are new for you all. So okay, this one function is called injective also. Injective, not injection, injective function. Okay, many onto function is called surjective. Surjective function. Okay, if you'll take both together, okay, 1 1 and onto function. Okay, some functions are 1 1 and onto both function. So that type of function is called bijective. Bijective function. Bijective function. Okay, 1 1 and onto functions are called bijective function. Now after this we will discuss one by one each and every topic. Okay, with examples, everything. Okay, so write down till here types of function. Written. Thank you. Okay, so now 1 1 function. Now what is 1 1 function? If you read, a function f x to x is defined to be 1 1 or injective if the image of distinct element of x under f are distinct. Okay, and x1 x2 belongs to x, f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2, otherwise f is called many one. Okay, सब ऊपर से गया होगा. Okay, so I will explain. Uh, First, I'm taking one example. I will explain by example so you'll be able to understand. Suppose any function f r to r is defined, real number to real number. We are taking this function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, 2x plus 3. So that will be your domain. Domain means input. Domain. Or it will be your codomain. Codomain or range also we can say, or this you will give set A, set B. So when you put input 1, x equal to 1, it is real number, so you can put any number. X equal to 1, you get 5. Okay, x equal to 2, you will get 2 to the 4, 4 or 3, 7. When you put x equal to minus 1, so it will give you 1. Means all the elements are having the unique image. All the elements are having unique image in codomain. All the elements are all the elements of domain are having unique image in codomain. Okay, और एक चीज और बताना चाहूंगा कि here each image is having all the elements here are having unique image in B. If any elements are not having the image in B, then we'll say it is not 1 1. If all the elements are having image here, that means the function is called what? Function is called 1 1 function. Okay, so for example we'll write few more example. We'll write few more examples. Suppose set A you have 1 comma 2 comma 3. Set B you have A comma B comma C. Okay, so 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C. It is possible 1 related to B, 2 related to C, so that is okay. Then we can mark the arrow sign from here to here, here to here, here to here. So 1 1, yes, yes, it is 1 1. Okay, first example. Second, if you have like this A 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B you have A B C. Okay, so suppose I am telling 1 is related to B, 2 is related to, 3 is related to C. Okay, or 4 is not related to anyone. 4 is not related to anyone, so it is not a function also. Function के लिए क्या होता था? It will be the all the elements are having unique image. If 4 is not related to here, so it is not 1 1. Not 1 1. All elements should be related to other. So if I will take set A like this, 1 comma 2 comma 3, set B like this, A comma B comma C. Okay, if you have 1 related to A and 1 related to B, 2 related to C and 3 related to B. Okay, so this is also not function. This is not 1 1, not 1 1, it is function not 1 1 by, because 1 related to A and 1 related to B also. So it is many 1. Okay, so we have written, otherwise it is 1 1, many 1. So it is many 1. 1 ki 2 image is coming here, 2 images coming here. If we need unique image only, if unique image, then it is 1 1, otherwise not. Or each element is related to other. Clear? Write down here till here fast. That means what? F of x1 or f of x means what? Y only. F of x means y. So if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, implies that x1 equal to x2. अगर f of x1 equal to f of x2, तो ये क्या है क्या 7 और 1 and x1 x2 equal है, then function is 1 1. ये सॉल्व करने का मेथड ये होता है, सब function is 1 1, then function is 1 1, otherwise it is many 1, otherwise it is many 1 if not having unique image. Okay, write down till here everyone. Thank you. Okay, next one is onto or surjective. Onto or surjective function. If every element of y is the image of some element of x, then the function is called onto. Okay, I will explain. Suppose this is your a and this is your b. Okay, from in 1 1 we are seeing from here all the elements of A are having image here. Now suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 and A comma B comma C, means here if you observe you will see from this side all the elements of B are having image, not unique is not necessary, are having image in A, is called onto function, is called onto function, is called onto function. Is called onto function. Okay, if you have like this example A and B. Okay, A you have 1 comma 2 comma 3, or B you have A B C D. Okay, here you have 1 related to A, 2 related to B, 3 related to C, but D का कोई relation नहीं है, तो it is 1 1, it is 1 1 but not on 2, but not on 2, but not on 2. क्यों? क्योंकि D का कोई रिलेशन A में नहीं है. मीन्स क्या? फॉर ऑन टू फंक्शन वी नीड व्हाट? कोडोमेन इज इक्वल टू रेंज. कोडोमेन equal to range, then only we'll say it is onto function. क्यों? Because it is a f of x. f of x should be equal to y. For onto function f of x is equal to y, or y is your range. Okay, so all the elements should be image here. तो it will be onto function. कोई भी image इधर बचनी नहीं चाहिए. It can be like this, then also it will be onto. Suppose a and b. एग्जाम्पल सी तुम्हें अच्छे से समझा सकता है ये 1 2 3 A B C. If you have image like this, one related to this, 2 or this, then also it is 1 1, because all the elements are related in it, but it is not function. Okay, but it is not function, it is not function, not function. Okay, so better will join this also, so we'll say on 2. You can say B is related to 3 also. Okay, so yes, it is on 2. Yes, it is on to function. Okay, so write down this. We'll take one example here. Okay, this is the example. Here they are saying kya? A is a set of 50 students. Or okay students, let's see one example. Let A be the set of 50 students of class 10th in a school. Okay, here A is given any set that is 50 students roll number wise. or n be the natural number. So a set can be 1 2 3 4 5 till 50, n set will be till 1 2 3 4 5 till n natural number. So if you observe, what you observe, 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to roll number wise, then 50 related to, then remaining are not related to. So here all elements of are a are related to n, but remaining 51 52 are not related to domain. So f of x is not equal to y, we can say. So not, so function is onto not onto, but it is 1 1, but it is 1 1. Why? Because f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2. Okay, so function is 1 1 but not onto. Understood? Next example. Hello students, see this function f is defined from f n to n, or f of x is equal to 2x. So how to solve for 1 1? For 1 1. Okay, for 1 1 we can say if f of x1 is equal to f of x2. f of x1 means क्या, यहाँ रखो, when you put, so it will be 2x1 is equal to 2x2. So 2 or 2 cancel, x1 equal to x2 coming. So this is the condition for 1 1. So yes, it is 1 1. Okay, now for on 2. For on 2. For on 2, we will say it is given y equal to 2x, means y by 2 is equal to x. Okay. In this, if you observe, okay, if we take the arrow diagram, so it is from set A, it is from B. Okay, or both are having the natural number 1 2, sorry, 1 2 3 4 and so on. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. So when you put the number input 1, when you put 1, 1 will give you 2, 2 will give you 4, or 3 will give you 6, like this. So take this as an example here. Okay, take this as an example here and say from B 1 comma 3 are not having image in A. So f of x is not onto. It's simple. What we told, all the elements need image here. Either it is same or different, no problem, but need image here, then only it is onto. Okay, I hope till here you understood. So please, after that exercise examples you solve. If you have any doubt, you can comment or message me. Okay, so bye, tata, take care. Thank you.